Hey y'all, and welcome to Styles by Honey. Today I'm going to be showing you all my updated brow routine. And as usual, the products that I'm using are going to be listed in the description box below. Go ahead and stay tuned. Alright, so first things first, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. And if you're a returning subscriber, you already know you lit. Welcome back to my channel. Alright, so I've already gone ahead and put primer on my face and brushed my eyebrows. Now I'm taking my dark brown eyebrow pencil and I'm outlining the shape of my brows. Alright, so it's 2019. If you have eyebrows, if you draw on your eyebrows, if you color in your eyebrows, fill in your eyebrows, tint your eyebrows, if you know anything about eyebrows, you should already know where it should begin and where it should end. So now I'm filling in my brows with my dark brown pencil. If you haven't already checked out the video that I did when I was doing the eyebrows and lashes on a client, go ahead and check that out. I will put a card and I'll leave a link for it in the description box below. But in that video, I filled in her eyebrows with the brown and then I went on top of it with a black pencil. That's because she was wearing black hair. I have brown hair right now, so I'm just filling it in with the brown pencil. Well, you can't see my brown hair, but it's brown. So now I got my brush and I'm smoothing out any harsh lines that are in the brow. I'm blending it out, fading it, giving it that nice ombre touch. You don't want any harsh lines. You don't want a harsh square beginning. It's ugly. It's stupid. Don't do it. Fade it out, sis. Now I got my Pro Concealer in the shade of Fawn to clean up the shape. So I don't really see the need to sit here and give you a step-by-step tutorial. Because I have so many other videos, I have so many other tutorials on eyebrows. You can go ahead and check those out. I'll probably leave some links in the description box, or you can just go to my channel and scroll down, sis, because I got a lot. And basically, this is an updated routine because I'm using some different brushes, basically the same technique, but I'm using different brushes. Well, I'm using one different brush, and the way that I'm drawing it on is a little bit different from how I usually draw it. Nowadays, I'm a little bit more careful with how I draw it on, just so I don't have to put so much concealer to clean it up when I'm done. I'm way too good to you. You take my love for granted. I just don't understand it. No, I'm too good to you. By the way, I forgot to tell you, this routine, tutorial, whatever, this video was a part of a Get Ready With Me, but I was so into the show on the Netflix that I wasn't even paying attention to how my face was being cut out of the frame. So I had to cut that out and just make a eyebrow video. Basically, towards the end, you're going to be able to tell that it's a bunch of clips and pieces put together, but you can basically get the idea of what I do to get my eyebrows together. Oh, and another thing that I do differently now, I add some foundation in a shade darker than a concealer on the top of my brows and when I'm blending in the concealer under my eyes to blend it out to match my skin tone perfectly. Summertime, you a party, me a party, some otherwise. Summertime,
Caribbean summertime. School's out, so you at the star, right? You get a holiday, so you're alright. Gym body fit up with my side. Ladies, I'm looking at me all night. Pool dance are the greatest, so you're shopping at the mall for your latest. Champagne bottle by the cases.
And this is the finished look. If you like what you saw, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up anyway. Thanks so much for watching my video today, guys. I love you so much.